Okay, what to put on your social media? What to put on your Facebook, on your Instagram, or your LinkedIn? And it's a really common question, and lots of schools kind of get it wrong. So the easiest way to kind of explain how you do that is just to show you this, the 80-20 rule. So 80% of what you put online on your Facebook, let's say, should be good content, should be there. And the only reason why you put it out there is to provide good value, help people learn the subject you're offering. If it's English, give them posts about grammar, depending what your school is specialized in. Help people with problem points. So if you know the typical problem points that your students have, then post about that. What you want to do is that you want to kind of create a good connection with your followers, help them with their problems. So 80% good content and then 20% promotion. And if you stick to this kind of rule of thumb, it's pretty straightforward. Your content can be anything, but don't just put out promotion after promotion after promotion. People don't care. They're not going to come back to your site. They'll get bored very quickly if all you're doing is promoting yourself. Nobody really cares. People only care about how you can help them. So if you help them first, they're going to be more well disposed towards you. So yeah, keep it very simple. 80% good content, 20% promotion. Okay, I hope that helped.